August Affairs by Arohi Events is here at Gallery 105. कलेक्शन में बहुत सुंदर फेस्टिव वेयर है, चनिया चोली है, मदर डॉटर सेट है, कपल सेट है, बहुत ही सुंदर कच्ची भरत वर्क के पीसेस हैं. ज्वेलरी में भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे, फ्रॉम फ्यूजन अफगानी to something for weddings. Everything is all under one roof. It is a 2-day exhibition today and tomorrow. For more details and collections, swipe left. This is brand Arohi Gems and Jewels, and if you're looking for some statement pieces in earrings, this is the right place to come to. They have beautiful options in Afghani. Look at all those options that they have. Silver look-alike as well. Look at all those earrings that you can use for daily routine wear, for some parties, gifting. If you want something delicate, then they have that as well. Something more in silver look-alike. Look at all these long neck pieces that they have. Beautiful. Then something in short. Look at that piece. Very pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. Something in Hasli as well. Then we have their special Afghani collection. Look at all that. Some tribal Afghani, something in long. Then they have their classic chokers. Beautiful statement pieces. Look at that. Something in fusion as well. Beautiful. Just look at all those pieces. This is brand Sunita Zaveri, and they have come up with festive as well as Navratri collection. Yes, ma'am.
It's a kaftan.
Okay, that's a kaftan. Something in ivory if you're looking for. चनिया चोली में सेट ऑप्शंस हैं. You can buy everything separately as well. Look at that. Vibrant quirky colors with some spaghetti blouses, kachi bharat work as well. Look at that set. Very different color combination. Beautiful. Blouses में भी बहुत सारे options हैं उनके पास. Spaghetti with some kachi bharat work. They also have something in sleeveless like this. Beautiful back detailing bhi hai. Something in sleeves. Look at that. These can be worn with saris as well, and a lot of options. Again, this is brand Arohi Gems and Jewels, and this is for all the brides out there. This is their wedding collection. Look at all those pieces. Something in chokers if you're looking for statement pieces, something delicate, beautiful. Moving on to some rings, some more options, some bangles, to some beautiful bracelets that can be used in various occasions and functions. Look at all those bracelet options, some bangle options as well. Look at that. A premium option for gifting. These are silver spoons. Look at that. We have few more options as well. Beautiful. Continuing with the same brand, they have blouses options as well. Look at that. Beautiful blouses. So you can pair these with saris, with chaniya cholis. कुछ इंडो वेस्टर्न भी अगर आपको पहनना है उस पे भी दे लुक वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. We have a lot of options. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Also some dupatta options. Look at that. So you can do a mix and match. Make a set, make a pair, choose. Beautiful. Some more options in blouses. Lovely. This is brand Two Sisters. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
So they have set options like these. Beautiful. Look at that. Lovely. Sleeves में detailing मिल जाएगी आपको.
Beautiful. Rust blue and green combination. So many options. Something like this that you can use for festivities, wedding occasions. Look at that. Lovely. Something in browns. Beautiful. Some vibrant colors as well. Look at that. Pink and violet, the classic combination. This is brand Avesh, and look at the very pretty lady. Look at her entire attire. And if you want more pieces, yes ma'am, please show us more pieces.
So we have a Navratri collection.
Okay.
Like this. You can wear it also in wedding.
Okay, so wedding में भी आप पहन सकते हो. You can buy the pieces separately also. Mix and match भी कर सकते हो. Set option भी है. Look at
Then we
that.
have this with patchwork.
Okay.
Also it's a 14-meter flare.
Okay. 14 मीटर का फ्लेयर मिल जाएगा.
Then we have something white.
Beautiful.
Front.
Look at that. So pretty. Sleeveless, spaghetti, full sleeves, सब में ऑप्शन मिल जाएंगे आपको. Look at all that. Beautiful. ये टिश्यू है, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Then we have in cotton with Kodi work.
Again, this is brand Avesh with their Indo-Western festive quad set collection. Yes, ma'am. Beautiful. Look at that. Just look at the collar detailing on this piece. Beautiful. Something in kaftan style. Something like that. These are all Kachhi Bharat work patches, right? Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Something in these fancy sleeves में भी options मिल जाएंगे आपको. Beautiful. So something for all the couples out there. If you want to twin with your partners, then उनके पास ऐसे couple set options भी हैं. कलर ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे, पैटर्न्स ऑप्शन मिल जाएंगे. लुक एट दैट. ब्यूटिफुल. सेम ब्रांड हीरिए ऑल्सो हैज सम फेस्टिव कलेक्शन. यस मैम.
ये कॉर्ड सेट्स है. अभी आप रात में या किसी भी ओकेजन पर डाल सकते हैं.
Okay.
पार्टी वेयर रहेंगे ऐसे.
ऑलराइट. समथिंग इन पार्टी वेयर ऑप्शन.
3 पीसेस सेट रहेंगे.
3 piece सूट सेट ऑप्शंस रहेंगे.
जो मैंने
ब्यूटिफुल.
पहना हुआ इस टाइप का भी मिल
ओके.
जाएगा.
ऑलराइट.
फिर पोटलीज रहेंगी इस टाइप से. ये
सम पोटलीज फॉर गिफ्टिंग.
गिफ्टिंग पर्पज से या कुछ भी सेल्फ यूज कर सकती है. मैरिजेस पर्पज से.
Okay.
ये सब ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है ऐसे.
ब्यूटिफुल.
और अभी ड्रेसेस पर अप टू 15% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा फॉर रक्षाबंधन.
ओके, थैंक यू. दिस इज ब्रांड हीरिए. हेलो मैम.
हाय.
यस, बताइए मैम.
ये 14 मीटर फ्लेयर तक रहेगा.
Okay.
वर्क के साथ.
Okay.
और इसमें आप कोई भी कलर कस्टमाइज करवा सकते हैं.
Alright.
बैक डिजाइन ये रहेगा.
Lovely.
और दुपट्टा अलग से मैच हो जाएगा इसका.
ओके, लुक एट दैट. सो आप मिक्स एंड मैच कर
मिक्स
सकते
एंड
हो
मैच
यहाँ
कर
पे.
सकते हैं. सेम ऐसे ही है. मेरा वर्क के साथ है ये. सबके
Lovely.
14 मीटर फ्लेयर रहेंगे. 14
ओके
मीटर तक.
ओके. और आप
तो ये ऐसे
कस्टमाइजेशन ऑप्शन
customization
भी अवेलेबल
available
है.
है.
लवली.
ये ऐसे काइंड ऑफ बैक साइड. और कुछ
Lovely.
भी थोड़ा डिजाइन चेंज करना तो हो जाएगा वो.
ओके, ब्यूटिफुल.
ये सब भी
लुक एट दैट. ब्राइट कॉम्बिनेशन विद स्लीव्स पे डिटेलिंग. वेरी प्रिटी.
पर्पल दुपट्टा और ऐसे ही कलियों में आएगा.
ब्यूटिफुल. लुक एट दैट.
फिर ओनली चनियास भी अवेलेबल रहेंगे.
ओनली चनिया भी मिल जाएगा आपको. लुक एट दैट. सो यू
Full
कैन
flare.
मिक्स एंड मैच. ब्यूटिफुल.